Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Erica. Welcome to my channel, Hermit Girl Healing with Tarot. I am here to bring you some divinely guided messages. This reading is going to be for Cancer. Alright, so if you have Cancer anywhere in your birth chart, it is possible that there may be a message for you in this reading. Please take what resonates, leave the rest behind. Don't make it fit. If it's not your story, it's just not your story. Okay. Spirit, what messages do you have for Cancer? Spirit, what's surrounding Cancer and their energy? What do you want Cancer to be aware of, Spirit? What messages do you have for Cancer? Alright. Spirit, what messages do you have for Cancer? I'm not going to take this because, I don't know, I just don't want to take the first card. Okay, Spirit. Cancer. What messages do you have for Cancer? Got the Ten of Swords. What else, Spirit? The Queen of Swords. Spirit, what messages do you have for... What messages do you have for Cancer, Spirit? It's too many. 14. Alright, Spirit, what messages do you have for Cancer? Let's get some clear messages, Spirit. For Cancer. Alright, Ten of Pentacles. What else, Spirit? Oh, you decided to show up, Cancer. Alright, what else, Spirit? Spirit, let's get one more. Let's get one more for Cancer, Spirit. Thank you. Alright, so you got the Ten of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, the Chariot, the Moon, the Two of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles on the bottom of the deck. The King of Pentacles. Okay. So, are you making your demands, Cancer? Making demands regarding your Ten of Pentacles? I've never been drawn to this card like this. Are you leaving somebody, Cancer? Let me see. Let me show y'all the card. So, I don't know. It's like this woman was sticking out really, really, like, Is this woman talking to this other person, right? With the child. And it's like, guess I feel like you... I feel like you're trying to leave, but... Okay, something is obviously hidden, though. You're trying to make a decision on if you want to leave something behind, leave something out in the cold. With this Ten of Swords, it's like enough is enough. I feel like somebody is like had enough. They're fed up. All right. Let's see. Spirit, what's the Ten of Swords about? What is this regarding, Spirit? The Ten of Swords. What's the Ten of Swords regarding, Spirit? It's not that many. Alright, so we have morning, on and off, hot and cold, be happy, work hard, and yes. So if there's a question you were wondering about, Spirit says the answer is yes. Alright. So what's the Queen of Swords about then, Spirit? Personal issues. Personal issues with who? Personal issues, scam. Who trying to scam somebody? Or who? Spirit, what kind of scam you talk about? What kind of scam is this? What's these personal issues regarding this Queen of Swords? Personal issues, scam, with Queen of Swords. What's this about, Spirit? Path. Okay, what about the path? Is it the wrong path? Is it the right path? What's this path about? What do you mean path, Spirit? Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, personal issues, scam, path. Alright. It's not gonna be for everybody. Take what resonates. Stink. Stink pussy. Personal issues, scam. Okay, we can move on. 10 of Pentacles, Spirit. What's the Ten of Pentacles? What's the Ten of Pentacles regarding? What's the Ten of Pentacles about, Spirit? What's the Ten of Pentacles regarding? The Ten of Pentacles. What it's about? What's this about? What's this? What's this, Spirit? What's the Ten of Pentacles? Ooh. The Ten of Pentacles. Alright, it says sick, search and find, Aries, Earth. reason. Somebody, is there an Aries that's actually literally sick, or I'm also getting like you about to make somebody sick with this decision or with this walking away or whatever this is. Somebody gonna be sick. It could be an Aries or a Earth sign. Y'all be careful. Anyway, okay, what's the Chariot about, Spirit? Clear the air. What's the Chariot and clear the air, Spirit? What's this about? Chariots and clear the air. What is it clearing the air about, Spirit? What's the reason? Clear the air. Somebody trying to figure out what's the reason for something. The Chariot, clear the air. What's the reason for what, Spirit? What's this Chariot about, Spirit? What are they clearing the air about? Get your own way. Or get out your own way. Move out your own way. Get out your own way by clearing the air. Alright, I'm gonna move on. The moon. What's this moon about, Spirit? A Scorpio. Chill. Relax. What's the moon about, Spirit? What's this moon? Old toxic cycle. So old toxic cycle with the Scorpio. Because a Scorpio needs to chill. What's this moon about, Spirit? We got ease up, internet, not yet, reveal, tarot. Are you watching a lot of tarot readings on the internet? Alright, what's the Two of Swords, Spirit? There's a lot of people. Alright, we got at home trash, Capricorn. So are you okay? We got Capricorn, we got Scorpio, Aries, and Earth. Not yet. Something's going to be revealed, but not yet. Something's going to be revealed about an old toxic cycle. But somebody really needs to ease up off watching tarot on the internet. Anyway, back to the Two of Swords. We got Capricorn at home, trash. So I feel like somebody is trying to, are you trying to, it's like you're trying to make a decision, but maybe it's a Capricorn. Um, but trash is like, Spirit is saying this person is trash. They might have Capricorn somewhere in their chart. It's like, okay, so, but what I'm trying to say is like you're trying to make a decision that's, why is it even a decision? If they're trash, why would you want to deal with a trash ass person? But whatever. Let's move on. See, Five of Pentacles, Spirit. What's this Five of Pentacles about? The Five of Pentacles. Is that Capricorn the one with the stink pussy at home? That trash ass put. Alright, bring back down. Spirit. Five of Pentacles. Water. Okay, so that's you. Water. Alright, Five of Pentacles, Spirit. What about this water sign? What about Cancer? It says Five of Pentacles. Police. Spirit, what's going on with the police? What's this Five of Pentacles? Water and police. Five of Pentacles. Okay. At work. New cycle. Moon sign. Weed. Okay. And on the bottom of the, of course, the bottom of the deck, the X. So this got to do with the X, the old toxic cycle. That's evident. Weed. Moon sign. Oh, maybe this, okay, so maybe I take that back. Police. Weed. Ooh. If y'all smoke weed, be careful. Be careful who you get it from. Be careful, like, wherever you meet up. Like, just be aware of your surroundings at all times. Police at work. Is the police watching? Oh, so somebody got water. It's a moon sign. So somebody with water as their moon sign. I feel like you need to leave that person out in the cold. Again, it's so many. It's you got Aries, Earth, Scorpio, Capricorn. You got Earth and water out here. Weed and new cycle. Somebody might be about to get. Are you dealing with like a drug dealer who sell weed? They about to get locked up. Or is that why this person gonna be sick as shit? Cause they finna get locked up. I hope it's not they about to get nabbed over some weed. Like that's But so Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. That's somebody's moon sign. Somebody went down the wrong path. And it caused a lot of personal issues. All right. King of Pentacles. Somebody the weed man. I'm just looking for the weed man. The weed man. The weed man. 'Cause I just wanna smoke, smoke. I just wanna smoke. I just wanna smoke. Okay, so is that you looking for the weed man? Cause it takes your mind off of all this shit that's going on. Alright, Spirit, let's clarify the Ten of Swords. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords, Spirit. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords. Clarify the Ten of Swords, Spirit. I hope nobody's smoking weed at work. That's just dumb. Don't do that. Alright. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords. At the Queen of Wands in reverse, seduction lies. So somebody's, okay, so Cancer, you've had enough of somebody's lies, being off and on. Let's get one more. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords, Spirit. Got the Hangman. Feeling trapped, confined. Lack of direction, needing release. Letting go, sacrifice. Lack of direction. Perspective. Yeah. Somebody is definitely fed up. Alright, so let's clarify the Queen of Swords spirit. At the Six of Pentacles. Somebody wants somebody money. Cause look, it's like, okay, you got the Queen of Swords. You see her. It's like, fuck you, pay me. Is that what this game is about? Somebody just after somebody money. Or chasing after money and got you going down the wrong path. Alright, what's the Ten of Pentacles? Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles spirit. I'm not gonna take it, but the Queen of Swords came out. Oh, Cancer. Was you dating the weed man? Oh, Cancer, are you the weed man? And somebody was just dating you for your money. Y'all crazy. Alright, Spirit, let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Yo, let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Spirit. Alright, it came out sideways. It's the Five of Swords. Yeah, somebody walking away and it's about to make somebody sick as shit. Let's get one more. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles, Spirit. Well, thank you. The High Priestess. Mystery, intuition, inner knowing. Somebody is watching a lot of tarot. But it's like you watching tarot, but you already know. Or you have, it's like it's giving that gut feeling when you know something. Oof. Discovering your truth, search then find. So, guys, did you find out that you figured out that this person was only with you for your money, or flip it how you see fit? Yeah, somebody's gonna find out the truth about somebody's character. That's what this is. Believe a person when they tell you who they are the first time. Cancer, let's clarify the Chariot. Let's clarify the Chariot spirit. Clarify the Chariots. Alright, you got the Devil and again the Two of Swords. Clear the air. What's the reason? So the reason that you are walking away is because this person that you was dealing with is the damn devil. Stalemate. Like, yeah, this person, what you do, they very egotistical. Alright, Spirit, let's clarify the moon card. What's this? Let's clarify the moon. Temperance. Balance. Not yet. Balance is coming to this situation, but I don't feel like not yet. What else? Let's clarify the moon, Spirit. Can we clarify the moon? We got. Well, my hand itching. Somebody got something. Yeah, I'm scared to say that. I was about to say somebody got some money coming to them, but child. Alright, we said we clarifying the moon with the temperance, the emperor. So didn't I have Aries out here? Was that Aries out here somewhere? Yep. Temperance, the emperor, and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, this truth is definitely gonna come out, but I feel like Spirit right now is just telling you to focus on rebuilding, focus on bringing balance back into your life, stability, um, perseverance, and keep pushing forward. It's definitely an Aries. Somebody got Aries in their chart somewhere. Um, a decision needs to be made, definitely. Alright, Spirit, let's clarify the Two of Swords. Let's clarify the Two of Swords. Three of Wands. You need to make a decision to move forward. Let's clarify the Two of Swords, Spirit. Clarify the Two of Swords. It's giving reality check. Sobriety. Oh, sorry, it's the Seven of Cups in reverse. Like a choice, opportunities, or options. Cause I don't know if you feel like mm, I feel like somebody feels like they're trapped, but they're really not. I can see if the Eight of Swords was out here, but that's not out here either. It's giving me the energy of somebody know what they need to do, but it's like I don't know. Clarity. Mm. All right. Let's see. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. The Ace of Wands. The World card. Oh look, the Moon, but this time in reverse. Wait. Are you scared to move on? Oh wow, yeah, because now I feel that anxiety energy. So some of you just may be scared to move on, and that fear is what's making you feel trapped. Either way, whatever is going on, it's going to be a new cycle. This is going to, I feel like it's this, it's going to come to an end. I feel like you're going to do what it is that you need to do and take action, new beginnings, releasing fear. I feel like someone's actually scared to walk away for whatever the reason is. I feel like somebody's saying like not yet, like I feel like okay. So remember, I was saying I feel like somebody's like having a conversation with someone. I feel like somebody might be, talking about making a decision to leave something or someone out in the cold. But I feel like this person is saying like not yet. That fear. That's why that chill relaxes out here. Inner calm, peace. Okay. And on the bottom of the deck, Six Cups. Yeah, Cancer, you gonna get through this. Ooh, 40 minutes. Dang. Okay. So yeah, Cancer, either you flip it how you see fit, but I feel like somebody like is really they feel like they're stuck in a situation, um, in a toxic, a old toxic cycle. I feel like Cancer, you may have gotten into this situation by chasing someone for their money. Honestly, it may have gotten you, the wrong path. Um, Maybe you have kids with this person. I definitely at least one child a kid and a dog, 2 dogs. Because I feel like, you know, if you've had enough and you're ready to get away from this person because they're toxic as fuck. I feel like you keep saying that yet. But indeed, the time is now. Sobriety. It's all right. So, are you dealing with the weed man? And oh, well, that would make sense if you're dealing with the weed man. Then you always have weed, you know, available to you. So it's like, you know, shit is there. I'ma smoke it. But I feel like maybe are you cutting back? And it's like the more you cut back, it's like you get more clarity. And you finally, you know, get enough courage to do what it is that you need to do and walk away. Or Cancer, you could be the toxic person. I mean, hey, take it how you never know. But yeah, let's get any fucking peace card, and we gonna leave this situation here. Alright, Spirit, what can we leave Cancer with? Nope. Double nope. Hard nope. Choose the path of nope today. Let's get another one. Okay. Oh. Carpe fucking diem. YOLO. You want to do? Oh, excuse me. I don't know what that was about. Never mind. Alright, Cancer. I hope that helped you at least a little bit. Remember, take what resonates, leave the rest behind, flip it how you see fit. If you're interested in free yes or no questions, check out the link in the description box. Until next time, I'm sending y'all love and light. Y'all be great. Bye.